Savor the juicy, fall-off-the-bone meat with delightfully charred pork barbecue without the hassle of grilling. This no-grill barbecue ribs recipe will let you enjoy the same sweet, savory, and smoky flavors of a Filipino-style barbecue. To start, cut the ribs into smaller sizes to easily fit in a pan. Clean the ribs and remove the layer of white membrane at one side. Removing it from your pork ribs is key to preparing great ribs and helps absorb the flavors. For the barbecue, rinse in water, then dry and set aside for the meantime. Pour soft drink in a deep pan or skillet. Add chopped garlic, lemon or calamansi juice, soy sauce, smoked paprika, ketchup, white granulated sugar, brown sugar, ground black pepper, salt, and lastly, some honey. Mix the ingredients to fully combine. Add the pork ribs. Turn on the stove over medium heat. Simmer for 20 minutes. Turn the ribs to cook evenly and cook for another 20 minutes. Lower heat and continue cooking, while occasionally turning the ribs until meat is tender. Remove ribs from pan and transfer in a plate. Reduce the sauce in low heat while stirring until thick. Remove the sauce and transfer in a bowl for later use. Using the same pan, return the pork ribs and sear sides until lightly charred. You can baste with sauce if you want to. Remove from pan and transfer in a serving plate. If you like this video, please follow Amiable Foods for more recipes.